Welcome students to class 7th. So as our chapter 1 environment is completed, let's go through the exercise part. This is the picture of your book. Questions are written. So let's go through it. First question is, what is an ecosystem? The system formed by the interaction of all the living organisms with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by the transfer of energy and material, is called an ecosystem. So, do you understand the definition of ecosystem? It is a system which is formed by interaction. Interaction of whom? Of living organism with each other and with the physical and chemical factors of the environment. Okay. Now question number 2. What do you mean by natural environment? What do you mean by natural environment? The basic components and organisms that are naturally present in the environment without any human involvement, like the land, water, air, plants and animals, comprises the natural environment. Okay. Now next question is question number 3. Which are the major components of environment? What are the major components? The major components are natural components, human made components and human components. Question number 4. Give 4 examples of a human made environment. What are the 4 examples? Human made examples, can anyone say? Yes, they are buildings, parks, industries and bridges. You can add your own examples also. Question number 5. What is lithosphere? What do you mean by lithosphere? The solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth is called the lithosphere. In other words, we can say land. It is made up of rocks and minerals and is covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. Question number 6. Which are the 2 major components of the biotic environment? What are the 2 major components? Plants and animals. Question number 7. What is biosphere? What is biosphere? Biosphere or the living world is the narrow zone of earth where land, water and air intersect with each other to support life. It is very easy. The plant and animal kingdom together form the biosphere. So, our question answer part is over. Let's go through tick the correct answer. What is the first one? Which is not a natural ecosystem? Which is not a natural ecosystem? The right answer is aquarium. Okay. Question number 2. Which is not a component of human environment? Which is not a component? Religious is a, community is also, then land is not a human environment. Now third, which is a human made environment? Which is a human made? Of course, road, because mountain and sea are natural environment. Fourth, which is a threat to environment? The right answer is growing population, because growing crops or growing plants are good for the environment. Now coming to the match the following. The answers are already given in front of the right option. Biosphere means narrow zone where land, water and air interact. Second, atmosphere, blanket of air which surrounds the earth. Hydrosphere, domains of water. And environment, our surroundings. Question number 4. Give reasons. Students, you can go through your book. You will be easily getting all the answers. Give reasons. Number 1. Man modifies his environment. How will you give the reason? Man modifies his environment to fulfill his basic needs as it is the basic life support system. He builds houses to live in and industries to work in, which modifies the environment and also its mineral wealth. Humans have used the fossils for their own development, disturbing the ecological system and animal habitats. The answer is very easy. Second is, plants and animals depends on each other. How will you give the reason? Plants and animals are interdependent on each other because plants are the producers and animals are the consumers. Plants release oxygen in the atmosphere, which is inhaled by human beings, and human exhale CO2, that means carbon dioxide, which helps plants in producing their own food. Okay students, with this our chapter exercise is completed. Write down your fair copy. For any doubts you can ask me.